So here's the new Flex Stack Pack, and we've got the Flex rep right here at the Lowe's, and he's gonna take us through a quick tour.
It's one of my favorite differentials about it. Easy clip on and off. And then I like the hydraulic opening, where you just lift it up and it opens all on your own. We got battery holders right here. You just pop in your battery.
So the hydraulics on the lid seem to be the major differentiator right now. That's the piece of resistance, and then you've got the battery holders right there. Now, is that an add-on or do they come with the case?
I think it comes with one. I have two.
So it comes with one. The second one you have to purchase.
And these are just other accessories you can buy with it. You get the belt for hanging tools. Get it for your smart level, for some cording, for bringing along your radio.
Now, I have to give it to Flex here because you guys have learned a lot from the Milwaukee Packout system. There's a whole 3D market of people that are 3D printing all these accessories. You guys have gone and built it yourselves for your own equipment. So there is a perfect fit. There's no way it's not gonna fit well, and it's designed for your product, where sometimes the 3D products, it isn't perfectly well built, it doesn't fit perfectly, you have to make adjustments, and the finish isn't there, right? Now, this is professionally finished. You'll see the 3D makers, you'll see all kinds of lines and ridges, they're not sanded, and that's all molded or blow molded. What type of plastic is that? Is that glass reinforced plastic on there?
I could not tell you at the top of my head. I could find out. This is all made in-house, all custom. So easy, it'll come with your one screw right in, tell you where to put it, and you get these belt attachments to put a belt on. As you know, you can get these. So these kind of are your base. You'll put it on so you can attach some of our features to it, like the belt, smart level holder, the cording. If you have any cords that you need to bring along to the work site, wrap it around. So we're just trying to provide you with any possible accessory you might need, and we're always developing more. I mean, we've only been with Lowe's since 2019, so we're just going to keep on producing more add-ons, more products, and I'd love to see where this goes. I mean, these come out pretty soon, sometime later this month in most Lowe's. I know we started rolling it out in September, but I'm hoping most stores will all have these in stock, ready to be picked up.
Well, I have to say that you guys are absolutely disrupting the market with some of the tools, and especially this modular toolbox system, which I have to tell you, Milwaukee Packout has been the dominant force for now, what, 4 years? And you guys, I mean, you guys stepped it up. I mean, this is, it's got me itching to want to get into this system, but the cost to get out of the Milwaukee Packout system is gonna be the toughest part for most people, right? They're gonna say, hey, I've invested a lot in the Milwaukee Packout system, but I really like your system, and they've got to make some hard decisions in life, and that's always tough.